Down. I didn't stop and take pictures because I was chatting with somebody. We had an awesome walk back down. Very cool. So, yeah, gonna get pedaling this thing, get back.
Like I said before, this is my camera setup. You know, there's going to be some bouncing and it makes some noise, but I do my best to try to make it watchable. This is about the smoothest section of the trail. Most of it's pretty rocky, but I'm going to take this little side thing to get to a small lake and try to chill myself down.
Oh, I washed my face in the water. Felt good.
I didn't take a lot with me on this, probably should have taken more, but at this point I was out of water, so it was good to splash some all over me and chill down a little bit. So I get back to riding this bike. It's a long ways, about an hour 15 minutes, and going back it might have been a little bit longer. My camera bag setup is not any better than the GoPro. It came off a lot. But that helped me come up with a plan for next time. We'll just see if it works when I try it again.
Sorry. Hi.
Gotta watch out because there's quite a few hikers and dogs on the trail, so don't run nobody over. And this is what most of the trail is like, kind of rough.
I'm not sure if this bike is more fun or less fun.
More fun.
I don't know. There's some bad sections up here.
Dogs won't get you.
Just got to keep my mouth closed.
That was the girl I walked down the mountain, air quotes, with, and we had a good time. Her being Canadian, being American, we talked about everything. We talked like the whole way down, doing a lot of comparisons between the two countries. And it's always interesting for people to get perspectives from people from upstairs or downstairs, or however you want to think, United States and Canada. But like every Canadian I've met, super nice.
Well, this is a 6-button shot. And that's how many times I'm going to push the button for more high water.
I was thinking of that shower for a long time.
Still not much easier coming down. That was a hike. Alright, that's enough GoPro for now. I'm gonna sleep good tonight.
Decided to stop at another little scenic spot, you know, enjoy the trip. It's not all pedaling.
You know, Lake Superior doesn't smell like an ocean, but it smells different than a regular lake. Check this out, right? Side trail, marked Sea Lion. See what else there is. Nice.
I'll admit it. I'm walking it up this hill. It's a tough day. They called that hike extreme. My legs are feeling it. Judge me if you want. I don't see you doing it. Oh yeah. I'm not 15. Oh, that was level. This is my side of the hill. Whew. I'm knackered. I think that's the trail that goes back to the campground. But I took the road here. I'm gonna take the road. Damn, it's hot.
Yeah, I got no problems with taking the road back. I mean, at least it was flat. There were some hills though.
Probably speeding.
There are good hills and bad hills. It matters if you're going up or you're going down. I shared a little going down, but not too much of the going up, because a lot of times that's just me cursing and the bike going from side to side, which you wouldn't want to watch that anyways. But we're getting close. It was a long, wonderful day, and now we're entering the campground so I can go take a swim. My fancy beach towel, and actually it's a nice sandy beach, and the water, it's not Lake Superior, it's a smaller lake, and it was fantastic. Now, I'm not one to show you on camera, you know, jumping around in a Speedo, but I did enjoy my swim. Then I decided to explore the park a little. It was really pretty, but right after this dam or spillway was a hill, and I had had enough, and it was time to go eat.
Alright, YouTubers, we're trying something different. I got these potatoes. Put a little olive oil on this aluminum foil. See how it goes. You don't have to laugh at me, I'm doing it. Alright, let's see. This is just because I'm feeling lazy and I don't want to do dishes. With that, we got a ham steak. Try that again.
After eating, I did take a super long shower I'd been thinking of all day.
Deserves some grill marks, doesn't it? I think it worked. Alright, let's plate this. Whatever this is. Alright, if you hear too much noise from the AC, sorry. Each one of these is going to get its own personal smiley face because they're potatoes. A little bit of eyebrows or unibrow or hair, whichever you want to call it. Start out ham steak. Can't mess up ham steak. And I didn't. See how I just needed some potatoes after that hike today. Potatoes. I missed my mouth. What are you? Try it again. I missed my mouth. All right. You can cook those on a grill and it turns out fine. It didn't dirty any pans. And in case you're wondering, that hike, that was a good hike and a good bike ride. I also have leftover dinner from last night, that pasta I made with hot Italian sausage. There's a good chance I'm going to eat some of that too. But this is really good. This works. I got to pretty another one up for the flyover, right? Unibrow. Or a lot of hair. Whatever you want to do. Ear. Another ear. A mole. Another mole. Ham steak and those potato things you have for breakfast, that's my dinner. And this proves you don't have to get fancy. You can cook whatever and you'll have a great and wonderful day after a great and wonderful hike and bike today.
There you go. Have a great and wonderful day.